Now this is a fantastic looking Range Rover Sport. It's just arrived, it's covered just over 15,000 miles, 3 litre diesel HSE. But it's the spec. The colour is Eiger Grey. It's got a full factory exterior black pack. It's got a contrasting black roof. The wheels are absolutely fabulous. They're 22-inch diamond cut multi-spoke, polished on the outside, then split spoke, finished in gloss black. You've then got side steps, privacy glass. It's got a contrasting black roof, ivory leather. It just looks really, really well, the car. It's got colour-coded bumpers, so down here, it's all been done in Eiger Grey. You've then got the black exterior styling, grille, badges, dynamic lights. The wheels, which I touched on, just fill the arches unbelievably well. You've then got black on the bonnet, wings, mirrors. This is an optional extra, glass roof. Sliding sunroof as well, which I'll show you. So that sunroof opens. And then as we move around the rear, you've got your black badging and then the big twin exhaust, and the bottom section there's been colour-coded as well. So it sits really, really well. And when the lads brought it around there, I looked at it, I thought, what a good-looking car that is, and it is. 3 litre diesel HSE. So as we move on inside, HSE gives you great spec. So it's all keyless entry, electric folding mirrors. And then you've got, you know, lovely extras. Meridian sound system, memory seats. Look at the condition of the seats as well. You know, people say about ivory leather. Look how crisp it is, the bolster, everything's lovely. You've then got that contrasting ivory roof lining with the sliding roof as well. So it just lightens the whole car up inside. It's a lovely interior. Keyless start. Yeah, 15,893 miles. Other extras on the car. Heated steering wheel. Key extra for me. I mentioned it earlier. I'll open that sunroof just to show you that. So that's a full sliding panoramic sunroof. And then you've got all your standard features, which is a lot. So automatic lights, automatic wipers, cruise control, your touchscreen system with your Apple CarPlay, reversing camera, heated seats, driver and passenger, all your different driving modes, air suspension, just great extras. All your charging points in the centre. But I think externally it's superb. Inside it's lovely with a pan roof and the ivory leather. In the back, again, look at this. Lovely and crisp all the way through, the condition of the leather. Meridian sound again, rear heated seats, all your Isofix seats in the back as well. It's got all the original Land Rover mats. Still got Land Rover warranty remaining till the end of the year. And then we've got electric tailgate. You can drop them seats down. You've got huge boot space. Range Rover Sports are popular because space, practicality, look the part, plenty of room in the back, and the appeal to lots of different types of people. That car is as good of a looking sport we've had for a while. It's a 3 litre diesel. It's going live on the website. It's priced to sell. You can call me direct. Thank you for watching.